Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be removing Citroen Relay headlight. The headlight screws are hidden behind the plastic covers. There are two covers that need to be removed, one on top of the headlight and one under. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the bolt. The same applies to the top cover. Now it's time to remove the covers. There are two retainer clips holding the cover from the wing panel. All you need to do is insert a flathead between the retainer clips on the cover side and inner wing panel holding the clips and slowly pry it till the clips are disconnected. The same applies to the top cover. If this video is helping you in any way, you can express your gratitude by tapping the YouTube Super Thanks button. Once the covers are removed, it's time to remove the bolts using 10mm socket. There are two bolts at the bottom. Once the bottom bolts are removed, it's time to remove the top bolt. There is only one bolt on the top. Once the last bolt is removed, there is a retainer clip at the top end of the headlight. All you need to do now is pull the headlight towards you to release the retainer clip. The retainer clip is attached to the wing panel. Once the headlight is detached, the only thing holding the headlight is the connector. Luckily, these connectors are fairly easy to remove. Once the connector is removed, you have successfully removed your headlight. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.